What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5 Star Cars Car channel, where I just give my thoughts and opinions on what's going on in the supercar community. And on today's episode, it's going to be a bit of a different one. I'm doing a lot of short episodes at the moment, guys, because I'm moving house. So I don't have time to make longer videos, but my longer videos will be coming back shortly in the next 2 days. And there's just stuff going on at home, so it's hard for me to be regularly posting. But on today's video, it's just going to cover a comment I got. I don't know if he's a subscriber or not. He did ask, is there tension between Stradman and DD? And something I noticed as well on Instagram, and that's what we're going to cover today. This is a discussion channel, guys, and this is what I like to do, is talk to you guys and bring these things up. If you spot something and want me to cover it from channels or stuff that's going on, tag me in it or ask me in the comments. I'll have a look at it and I'll probably might bring it up. Before we jump into the video, guys, I've made in the description below, there's a straw poll for your car YouTuber of 2020. I just thought it'd be a bit of fun. Get voting. You can do multiple choice. I did the best I could with coming up with the list. We will reveal the winner on January 1st, I'm presuming. So whoever you like, if it's not on there, please, guys, I was limited to what I could put on there. I put in the most ones I know and some of the ones I like as well. I try to mix it up, so just go click on it and vote for whoever you want. And again, stay tuned, subscribe, definitely get subscribing, guys, because you'll see who is on or who's going to win it on January 1st. Also, let's hope we get 2,000 subscribers and hope we can get a project car in the new year as well. So as I said on today's video, this comment by, I think he's a subscriber, was asking, is there maybe tension between DD and Stradman? Now, he asked this and I was like, no, I didn't think there was, because they always praise each other in the videos. What he noticed was, and I noticed, is DD always comment on Stradman's Instagram posts, when he got the R35, but you never see Stradman replying to them. He doesn't like their posts, and he replies to other people. But when DD posts, he doesn't like theirs or reply to their ones or say anything to them. Great observation. I'm just bringing this up to you in case you notice it. And are you going to read anything into it? Is there anything to read into this? It's just observation, guys. That's all it is. Do I think there's anything in it? Maybe, maybe not. I mean, they could. The thing maybe because of. What I think in my head, what could maybe be, I'm not saying it is, that Stradman wanted to get the P1, the DDE did, so he changed to Bugatti, and now they've gotten rid of the P1, and then obviously now he's after getting the R35. They had up saying they were going to go for getting the R35 or the R8, and the R35 was winning. So you can see there's these little bits there that maybe, I don't know, would you say there's maybe something there that Stradman's getting annoyed with DD because they've maybe builds that he had in mind, they were possibly by accident copying, and that's why he's maybe not replying to when they post on Instagram. But again, as I said, they do praise each other on their videos. So it could be nothing to read into, guys. It's just an observation, as I said. So it's just something to talk about in the comments below. I mean, look, it'd be cool to see them. It looks now, I checked DD's Instagram. It looks like they aren't going to go with the R35. They're going to go with the R34 GTR, which is pretty dope. I mean, I think that's been nice and not trying to be exactly copy James either. But I said it in a previous video, it'd be pretty cool to see the two of them go up against each other. Both of them go for an R34 GTR build and an R35 and go up against each other just for a bit of fun and see how that goes. It'd be cool to see them cross over DD and Stradman in this kind of a sense. But will it happen? I don't know. Would you like to see it happen? I mean, it would be pretty cool. I think it would be very good chemistry between them and a lot of fun when the videos are made, or how they will work that out, I'm not too sure. Or will they just go do their own thing and will they keep going down of not being mentioned about each other's channels? I don't know. But that was just today's video. So comment below, guys. Let me know what you think. Just as I said, and if you want to come on the channel, guys, and talk to me about this stuff on a Zoom call, hit me up on my Instagram. It'll come up at the end of the video. This is what I want to turn the channel into, is like this kind of a discussion, chat show kind of thing. It's fun because there is a lot goes on in the supercar community, and it's just these kind of things are what we want to talk about. So that's kind of really it for today, guys. Again, I don't know when I'm going to post next. Might be in 2-3 days. There's some stuff going on at home, but you will see my new setup soon as well. So until then, guys, please do comment, subscribe, like, all that kind of stuff. Thanks for watching till the end. So stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.